You will love the features of this 2018 Honda Odyssey. With less than 100,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Prepare to fall in love with this sleek and powerful Odyssey. Its connectivity and ingenious cabin features make navigating your life's many demands easier and more convenient, while its advanced safety tech protects your most precious cargo. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, pre-collision system, lane departure warning, sun, moonroof, keyless entry, navigation system, hands-free liftgate, premium sound system, satellite radio, power passenger seat. Your family deserves the best in safety and comfort. Take the Honda Odyssey out for a test drive today.